you feel you've tried everything for your skin, yet still face unexplained breakouts and irritation, I want you to know you are not imagining it. For years, the medical establishment has overlooked a critical factor, one that lives not in your body, but on your dressing table. It's a hidden reservoir of skin oils, expired product, and dead cells, creating a perfect storm for inflammation right where you least expect it. Each time you use a brush that hasn't been properly cleansed, you are performing a mechanical inoculation. You press this accumulated biofilm of oils and bacteria directly into your pores. The American Academy of Dermatology confirms this cycle can contribute to clogged pores and acne. It's not just about being dirty, it's a physiological process of recontamination that undermines even the most diligent skincare routine. Many of us believe we are cleaning our tools correctly, but common habits can cause more harm than good. Using harsh soaps can strip natural bristles, making them brittle and abrasive. And the most damaging mistake? Drying them upright. Water inevitably seeps down into the ferrule, the metal casing, silently dissolving the glue that holds your expensive brush together, leading to shedding and a shortened lifespan. The correct protocol, backed by dermatologists, is both simple and gentle. First, rinse only the bristles under lukewarm running water, pointing them downwards. Apply a drop of a gentle cleanser, like a baby shampoo, into your palm. Gently swirl the brush tip in your palm, working up a soft lather. Then rinse the bristles again, continuing until the water runs completely clear. This is your weekly ritual for skin clarity. Drying is not an afterthought, it is paramount. After rinsing, gently squeeze the excess water out with a clean towel and carefully reshape the brush head with your fingers. Then, lay the brush flat on a towel, positioning it so the bristles hang just off the edge of the counter. As the Cleveland Clinic advises, this allows air to circulate freely and gravity to pull any remaining moisture away from the delicate handle and ferrule, preserving your tools and ensuring they are perfectly dry for their next use. True skin health is built on elegant, consistent systems. Here are 3 resolutions to integrate this practice seamlessly. 1. The weekly cleansing ritual. Schedule it. Use a dedicated, gentle cleanser. This is a non-negotiable appointment with your skin. 2. The overnight drying sanctuary. Designate a clean, flat space where your tools can rest and dry perfectly. And 3. The protective storage. Once dry, store your brushes upright in a clean, covered holder, away from bathroom humidity, protecting them from environmental contaminants. This is how you build a fortress of hygiene for your face.